Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Bloomberg app review to save it what use it. The Bloomberg app is a powerful house for investors and finance professionals, offering a real-time market data, breaking businesses news, and portfolio tracking tools. Its standout features include a customizable watch list, price alert, and exclusive Bloomberg analysis, making it one of the most comprehensive financial apps available. The app delivers a lightning-fast update and a professional-grade chart, outperforming a free alternative like Yahoo Finance. However, its premium content is locked behind a Bloomberg terminal tip, which is around $24,000 per year subscription, and the mobile-only experience may frustrate desktop users, while the free version is useful serious for traders will feel limited without a terminal access. The platform is also best for active traders, financial pros, and the market news enthusiasts who need a real-time institutional grade data. And that's it.